Hello and good morning to my first graders. Today we are going to learn our ABCs by using our theme, animals. Today you will see some animals you know and learn some new ones as well. In fact, I learned some new animals while creating this. Today I have made you a slideshow that have images to help you see what animals I am talking about. This is Mrs. Jones' Kingdom of ABCs. A is for alligator. B is for bear. C is for cow. D is for dolphin. E is for elephant. F is for fox. G is for goat. H is for horse. I is for iguana. J is for jellyfish. K is for kangaroo. L is for lion. M is for mouse. N is for newt, which is also a type of amphibian like a frog. O is for octopus. P is for panda. Q is for quail. R is for rabbit. S is for seahorse, which is one of my favorite animals on this list. T is for tiger. U is for unicorn fish. How cool is that thing? V is for vulture. W is for whale. X is for X-ray fish, which is pretty cool. I did not know this fish existed. Y is for yak. And of course, Z is for zebra. Now it is your turn. Show me your ABCs. Today I want you to select a category and show examples using pictures or object for each letter of the alphabet. It does not have to be animals. Some examples could be colors or food. The alphabet is something we use in our everyday life, and these projects will reflect that. Thanks, class.